Hey everyone, it's Isa, and I have a really huge announcement to make. So in October, most of us took the PSAT, and if you get a qualifying score, you get accepted or invited to a Johns Hopkins program. So what it is basically for 3 weeks during the summer. 3 weeks during the summer, you get to choose a university you would like to visit. It has to be on the list, obviously. And you get to go to the university for 3 weeks, and you will be taking a course that you choose. So this year, I am going to Seattle University. I'm going to be studying Principles of Engineering Design, and I am really excited. We're actually going to take a road trip, so there's a lot of vlogs coming up. But in this video, I'm going to be kind of showing you guys what I'm going to be taking on my trip. Let's get on to the video. On this side of my large suitcase, I'm going to be taking pants, basically bottoms, hair stuff. I'm going to be taking this thing, which is a wrinkle releaser, so I don't have wrinkles on my clothes. Right there, I have my shower stuff because I'll be using communal bathrooms because storms, you know. Next, I'll be taking my perfume bottle. I'm going to finish it off over there, so that's good. Oh yes, I'm going to be taking tennis balls because I'm going to practice tennis. Well, I thought I was going to practice tennis there, but you know. Hair stuff. Here I have my clothes, so that's where I have like all my under stuff. Right there I have like socks. Here I have t-shirts, I believe. Yes, I have t-shirts here. Tops. Things I'd be using. They're all rolled up too to save space, and right there I have my leggings, and they're rolled up so that I can have more space and everything could be more organized. Here I have like workout stuff, more undertops, things I'll probably use. I have my beanie because 4th of July, you know. Here I have all my stuff already hanged because they'll be providing us with wardrobes. So all this stuff is already hanged, and it would be easier to take it out and use. And then behind that I have towels. In this bag I have 2 Sephora face masks, which are clean masks for uses. I have my nail file, eyeshadow, nail polish, tweezers, nail clipper, and right here I'll be putting my shoes. So these are the shoes I'll be taking for the trip, and this is a way smaller carry-on suitcase, so they fit there perfectly. And I'm going to be taking shoes because, dressier shoes, because there's going to be dances, there's going to be a lot of different activities, and I would like to like dress up or dress down. Here I have hair stuff, and then here I'm going to put caps, and more hair stuff. I just want to stay in the sun where I find I know it's hard sometimes. Pieces of peace. Then I have my laundry stuff, and my jewelry is going to be going inside my shoe so that I don't lose it and it doesn't get ruined while it's in the suitcase. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I have on my carry-on, and just keep in mind that I'm basically going to be doing a road trip. I am going to fly my way back over here, but don't worry, I get it all figured out. I know it's like a lot of things, but it's all figured out. The backpack I'm going to be taking, it's my regular backpack, and I'm taking this backpack because it's easier to use. I cannot travel with like duffel bags or anything like that because I'm prone to losing stuff. First, at the smallest pouch, we have mints. We got gum, a Polaroid selfie mirror so that it can be easier to take selfies with people with my Polaroid, which I'm going to be taking. But yeah, I'm just keeping it here because it falls off my Polaroid very easily. I'm taking 3 types of baby lips. This is mostly my everyday one. This is if I'm feeling a bit extra, and this is just for fun, so yeah. We got more lip balm, and then we got mirror, So that's what's in the front of the carry-on bag. Then here I have my wallet, and I have a chain on it so that I can easily carry it around and I don't have to take it out of the backpack. It makes sense. Snacks, because this is a road trip and I'm going to want to keep food in my dorm. So we got beef jerky, fruit bars from Target, but I took them out of the box because it took up too much space. We got wipes because you never know. We got tissues because my allergies are really bad any time of the year, so yeah. Got some extra Polaroid film because people can run out easily. It's a deck of cards because I like playing cards on my spare time. And headphones, and these are the Friends headphones. They come with this bag. They're inside here. I don't know if you can see them, but yeah, they're right there. Yeah, I like using my headphones. And inside, that's what I was thinking. I was like, wait, since I'm gonna be taking my earphones, my regular ones too. Inside, I have a earphone splitter, which I took this chain off. It's a necklace, but I took the chain off because yeah, earphone splitter. And basically, there's two areas where you can put two different earphones, and you can listen to music with someone. Just saying. Last but not least, I have this thing. I'm not gonna attach it. Right here, I have my laundry coins because in the university, dorm areas, they have washers and you have to put in quarters. So I have all these quarters right here. Yeah, I'm sorry I'm saying a lot. Here, I have my emergency kit. I kind of changed my emergency kit from the last video, but in here I have sunscreen because it's summer, a pen in case I need to fill anything out, a hand sanitizer, like a chapstick, Advil because I'm gonna be away from home, Neosporin to go because just in case, bobby pins, oil blotting sheets because I'm gonna be moving a lot, hair ties, band-aids, wet ones. I have Starbucks napkins just in case I need to clean up like a spill or something, you know, tissues, put pack because you know that's what I needed to pack. Thank you for reminding me, you guys. Then in the school supplies, yes, I'm using the same school thing from last year. I washed it because it's dirty, but I'm gonna take this because I don't feel like buying something new. And we got these pencils, which are part of a DIY video coming up soon. Yeah. Pens, these are more like the gel point pens, ballpoint pens. The girl likes a lot of variety. This is more like a gel pen and a Sharpie pen. This is a special pen sort of that I use for my journal, and I'm keeping it in here because I have nowhere else to put it. I have all these Papermate pens. It is white out because of all the pens, obviously. Post-it notes and note tabs. We have pencil sharpener and scissors. I have more food. I have almonds in here. First, we got my YouTube planner. Here's where I plan all the videos, all that kind of stuff. I'm almost done using it. Most of the stuff in here I haven't done videos of, but next we have my mini song journal. I have another song journal. It's more paper size, but this is my mini one. So when I go traveling, I usually carry it around with me in other places. And this one is more like a portable one, I guess. Then I need to finish this book because when I read it when I was way younger, I didn't really understand it, and now I'm reading it again, but then I got busy, so then I wasn't able to finish it, but now I'm going to finish it. So I have this book with me. Then I have my planner, which I plan my videos, I plan my workouts, I plan my classwork, I plan everything. There, flamingos. Then we got the actual notebook where I'll be taking actual notes. So we got that. Remember when I was being a little bit complicated about the pens? So this one, on these, I'll be taking notes with pencils, the ballpoint pens, and this where I'll be taking notes during class time. And then after class, I'm going to be rewriting all this stuff neatly on the other notebook, so when I study, it could be easier and it'll look nicer. All the information stuff, like where we're going to be parking. I have a ruler, which I kind of bent and it's kind of messed up now, but my calculator because I'm going to be taking engineering, and I'm a laptop case without my laptop in it because I'm transferring, well, importing files because I need to edit videos. Chargers, you guys may be asking, the chargers are all going to be going in here. I forgot the chargers. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure to hit those thumbs up and subscribe right here if you already haven't, and let me know what state you would like to visit and why in the comments down below. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoy future vlogs. Make sure to subscribe. Did I already say subscribe? Subscribe right here and click the bell so that you can be notified for when I do upload vlogs, because why not experience this trip with me, you know? So without further ado, so I guess this is goodbye. LA, Portland, Seattle, I'm coming for you. Bye.